Riding, super nice. What do we think, Jake?
I think for an hour and 50 minutes on it and $6,200, you need to do it.
Yeah, I think so too. Sorry, man. It's pretty clean.
Yeah.
Pretty clean. Good deal.
And it's an FX, not just an F. So
That's nice. It's really nice. So we gotta talk numbers now. We gotta talk financing and see if we can make this happen. So we're probably coming. Well, we are coming back to pick up the bike in like an hour.
what time is it right now?
It's 1:48, and I'm dying because I wanted to pick it up like immediately, but it's okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to a bar and have a beer in the meantime and shoot some shit.
Yeah, the guy's like, we need to check it and make sure all the bolts are tight. And it's like, well, it's got an hour and 50 minutes. Were they not tight when you sold it? That's the thing.
Yeah. So I don't know. It's fine. I'm not gonna talk shit. I'm getting a new bike.
Yes.
Stanford Motorsports, thank you for having this thing for such an awesome fucking deal.
Yeah,
I'm excited.
What, hour and 50 minutes even.
On the bike. So basically, oh, there's a bar taco here. Oh, fuck yeah, we're going to bar taco.
Yeah, basically, how much time do we have to kill?
Like an hour.
Well, yeah, we have to kill an hour
more
15.
than a little an hour 15. So we're gonna go to bar taco.
Yeah, let's go drink.
You ever been there?
I haven't.
You're gonna love it.
Let's do it.
All right.
It's time for your TSTV.
2018. I have a lot of dirt in my boot. 2018 YZ250FX. First ride.
2011.
Well, my first ride technically has an hour and what on it?
And this one's a 2011 with a blown fork seal.
It's fine. It'll be all right. It'll be all right for one ride. Oh my God, this thing's a fucking dream. Nice.
What do you think?
It's nice as shit.
Yeah, I bet.
Just take it easy when you get used to it. Giving it way too much clutch. This is something I'm gonna have to get used to again. Out of practice. I'm a little out of practice. Yeah,
well, you can rail ones back there, but the ones here, they're just so freaking deep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Woods riding. Here we go. Oh, this bike's fucking amazing. Oh, tree branch. That was solid as fuck. Oh my God, it's a nice bike.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm still getting used to it. That 450 is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Came a little wide. Oh. Come on, Jakey! Oh my god, that bike is ridiculous. Now I'm gonna be totally stuck because I'm on a fucking hill in the sand. This is not a good place to stop. This hill sucks to walk up.
Problem is I got so much. One, I'm real thirsty. Two, pretty dusty.
Yeah, it's fucking
I'm
dusty.
breathing in so much dust. It's good though.
Dust is good for the soul.
Yeah. I rode it in the race map.
I didn't ride race map at the track, so I'm getting it at the pits, so we'll see how this goes. My bike sure does look sexy. Yep, this is in gear. In second gear. Holy shit balls. This thing is stupid. Oh my god, this thing's retarded. Holy shit. And I'm only like, not even on it. I'm barely opening the throttle. Jesus Christ. This thing is fucking crazy. I made it.
I realized why your front end's wonky.
Why?
Bars are forward in the clamp and not over the bearing.
That's probably why.
Yeah.
Alright,
I feel different.
I'll take this over here. I'll walk. It's in gear. I'm fogging up. Fogging up.
I still can't believe Lash had the helmet strap undone, airborne on a board.
No, it wasn't Lash, it was Trav.
Oh, it was Trav, yeah.
It was Trav, he's dumb.
The helmet was coming off his head.
Yeah, Trav's just an idiot. Oh man. I love him, but he's an idiot.
Yeah, this car's way better than Mike's KTM.
It does, way quicker. The KTM like doesn't wanna. I keep forgetting I don't need to give it any throttle. It's like, fine.
Did you get that?
What?
I almost flipped it over backwards.
No, maybe?
Like the last second, I grabbed the rear brake and it came down.
Holy shit, dude.
No, it went all the way up because I was in third and hooked.
Oh. Oh man, I'm tired.
I should have totally brought water. This was dumb.